Now this is true family-friendly living backing onto the golf course in the heart of Pimpama. Go check it out.
This beautiful home offers stunning features including a 60mm countertop, high ceilings and hardwood floors.
What an amazing spot at the back. Gorgeous entertaining, golf course views, side access for a trailer or a boat, everything you need, and we're for sale now. Talk to you soon.